In today's video, I'll show you how to use the reminder feature on your CMF Watch Pro 2, so you'll never forget your daily tasks, birthdays, marriages, anniversaries or any other plans with the help of your watch. Let's see how to set up reminders in the CMF Watch Pro 2. First, make sure that your phone is connected and that your watch is properly synced with the CMF app. Next, tap on the watch icon and scroll down to find the reminder option. Tap on it. You'll see that my reminder list is currently empty, but I can add a reminder by tapping on the add button. To add a reminder, I need to first enter the task details. I'll add my task for today and enable the notification toggle. There are additional options where I can set the date and time for the task notification. One of the best features is the ability to set the reminder on repeat. There are various options including a one-time event, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly or custom. I want to set this task to repeat daily, so I'll set the daily option. This feature is fantastic for boosting productivity, and it's also helpful for remembering important dates like kids' birthday and wedding anniversaries. Once I've set all the preferences, I just need to tap on the confirm button to save the reminder. Now I'll show you how notifications appear on your watch. A reminder just came through on the CMF Watch Pro 2, and it's like an alarm. I have two options, one to snooze the reminder and other to turn it off. If I tap on snooze, the watch will remind me again in 10 minutes. If I want to turn it off, I just need to tap the turn off button. After this, I'll go back to the app and open the reminder section. Here, I'll tap on the checkbox to mark the task as completed. This helps in separating completed tasks from incomplete ones. You can use this feature for various purposes like medication, hydration, workouts, meetings, personalized tasks, and more. It's a helpful tool for people for all ages and genders. Whether you're a student or a 60-year-old, this feature can be useful. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use this feature and tap on the I button to watch more videos like this. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.